Hey Elisha, so I have been knowing you for the past, I think 1.5 years or more than that, and we have been working with you. Please tell us that how is your experience, how is you becoming a badminton player over this year, since which age you have started playing badminton. Please tell us about your journey.
So I started playing initially around when I was 10 years old, and it all started because my sister would play, so when I would go behind with her. So and then I fell in love with the sport. I started taking it up professionally, and by the time I started playing in state tournaments and then nationals started recently.
So is there any player who is your basically inspiration, from where you get inspiration from?
I feel all the Indian players have a different background, a different story, which is all very inspiring, and all other athletes also. So it's very difficult to take a specific name.
Right. So what do you think, where do you see badminton in the upcoming players? We have seen in this Olympics and all that, a lot of players are going there and outshining and all. So where do you see badminton going in the future years?
I feel that in India we have a lot of talent. It's just that everyone needs to cope up and play better.
So now coming to your thing, if you can tell that what are the support you think that which helps the player go in the longer run?
For an athlete trying to excel at that level, everything needs to be in place, starting from sleep, nutrition to on court, mental wellness. All these things play a major role in even if it's a tiny role, but in the major leagues, the small things are the ones that make difference.
So if you can tell me, what is the importance of nutrition which helps an athlete support?
So as athletes, our body is everything, and when we train, we want to train harder and push even more every second, every minute. We want to play our best. So for playing our best, we need our body to support us, and for that we need to see what we're putting inside.
Correct.
And when we are putting the correct nutrition, especially guidance from you and Rancer, that will be very helpful.
Perfect. How do you feel being a state champion in Karnataka? You are going to represent in nationals in Lucknow in the upcoming month.
Yeah, it feels very great, and obviously taking up your team and supporting Karnataka, playing for Karnataka.
Correct.
And training, everything is going to be fun and hard.
Yes, your parents must be really proud of you.
Yes.
So do we are also. So many congratulations. I really heartfelt congratulations for being the championship at the South Zone Interstate Badminton Competition.
Thank you.
Yes. So this is a book which is written by Ryan, and I want you to have a reading at this. Okay. It says Secrets of Champions. Okay. So please have a read at this. So that's all.
Thank you.